Everyone loves pizza, but have you ever made one yourself? Instead of buying a pizza, I'm going to show you an easier and healthier way to make a delicious pizza. For your margarita pizza, you will need
your favorite kind of dough. Mine is ShopRite store-made pizza dough, flour, olive oil, tomato sauce, mozzarella cheese, tomato and basil, and jalapeno peppers. To begin, you're going to start by spreading a small amount of flour on the pizza stone and dough to prevent sticking. You are then going to roll out your dough until it is in a large enough circle, and then apply an even layer of olive oil to the surface of your pizza.
Once you have finished applying the olive oil, spread your sauce to the amount of your liking. Don't add too much sauce or it will make the pizza too soggy. Now to the good stuff, the toppings. Evenly spread out your slices of mozzarella cheese, then add the slices of tomatoes, and then basil. I like to add 9 slices of each. Finally, finish with the jalapeno peppers on top of it. Place your pizza in the oven for 18 to 20 minutes at 425 degrees. To the best part, take your pizza out of the oven and serve it to your family. Enjoy!